East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tuesday night, rain showers. Lows in the upper 30s. Southeast winds up to 5 miles per hour, shifting to the southwest after midnight. Chance of showers 90%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gallatin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Carthage, Hartsville, South Carthage, Dixon Springs, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, and Pleasant Shade. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.